Jenny, a new study links pesticide exposure now during pregnancy to autism. Researchers say pregnant women who live near fields where pesticides are used are at higher risk for delivering a child with autism. So CBS 47 health expert Dr. Dave with us now to shed some light on this study. Good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon, Joey.
Good to see you. So who does the study look at?
This study looked at about 1,000 California families with children who had either developmental delays, autism spectrum disorder, or typical development, and the researchers found the home addresses of these mothers during their pregnancy. These addresses were overlaid on a map of the sites where commercial pesticides are sprayed.
Wow. So, and then what did they find that was the case there?
About 1/3 of the mothers lived nearby a pesticide spray site during their pregnancy, and there was an association between living nearby one of these spray sites and autism. For example, for the class of pesticides called organophosphates, there was a 60% increased risk of developing autism spectrum disorder for mothers who lived nearby during their pregnancy.
Wow. How do the pesticides actually affect the child's development?
The pesticides work by attacking the neurologic system of insects. They're neurotoxic, and a developing brain in a fetus may be more vulnerable to these effects than the adult. So these chemicals may distort the neurologic development process in uterus, and this may lead to the social, behavioral, and communication challenges that we see in autism.
Takeaway here for families?
This study showed an association or a link between autism and exposure to chemicals, and there are other factors, genetic and other outside factors that are also associated with autism, but we don't know the direct cause and effect of these factors, including pesticides. In the meantime, women who are pregnant may take special care to avoid exposure to pesticides during their pregnancy.
Okay, good advice. All right, thank you, Dr. Dave. And
You're welcome.
You can find more on our website, yourcentralvalley.com. Stay with us.